third time is the lucky one. Hello, welcome back. Let's unbox some stuff, okay? Okay, we're gonna start with let's start with whiter, kind of. It's not my size yet, so I just want to make you guys wary of when you buy from this company to double check your measurements or even go smaller. I'm a 9.5, 40 European, and I have tried number 9. This is number 8, and it's still not my size. I think I'm number 7, so I'm excited for that. This is supposed to be like loafers with a little bit of heel. It's supposed to be leather. I believe it's made for wider foot to have more space. So I'm excited for this. It's not the color that I ordered. It's a collaboration, so hopefully soon. I got this from Amazon, these baskets. There are like 4 of this, and basically I was away for like a month and a half, and I noticed when I came back that there were a lot of more like insects and like flies and bugs around, and I don't like that at all. I hate it actually, pretty much. So I decided to, like, for my fruit, to definitely get this so they're protected. I don't want anything touching my fruit. Okay, nothing has to touch my food. Also, like bread in it, you know, I'm Italian, like my fresh bread, or if you have like a balcony, a patio, whatever, and you want to cover your stuff from the nature, it's a great idea. 3, it's in 1 packet of this. It comes in this bag. Ties, they are adjustable. It's satin, so it doesn't break your hair. I think it's specifically for curly hair. I got the idea from another creator here. Hopefully I can find her name and tag her. I'm gonna show you how to use them. Easier to say. It's easier than say it. So basically you can just adjust it. Let's see. Yep. You can adjust it and create your ponies. And it will look something like this. So it's easy to do. I think it's better than you know, the regular tie. This is looser, this one is tighter. At least with this one you can decide how much hair you want in there and how tighter, or you know, high, whatever you want it. You can pick. Next, I got some collagen. I've tried this before. I got it again because it was on sale, and we love a good sale. I usually get this bigger one. The difference is they're both marine collagen. I love marine collagen, so from fish. In here there is also grass-fed collagen, so from cows, I believe, bovini. It has 8 grams in total of collagen, so type 1 and type 3. It has elastin, 1 gram. It has protein, 8 grams, 30 calories. It has vitamin C, 2000 milligrams, vitamin E, 100 milligrams, hyaluronic acid, 600 milligrams, and Bacillus coagulans. Not sure what that is. Coagulants for the blood. Should check on that. 100 milligrams. In 1 scoop, it has 10 grams. You can. This will last you 35 dosage. 35 numbers of servings. This one is 38. 1 serving is 12 grams, and it has 12 grams of marine collagen in every serving, so basically 1 for gram. So we are allowed to eat from 2.5 grams to 15 grams of collagen per day. So they're both in the safer area. This is higher than this one. We'll see. Maybe I can alternate them. I do like that this one has other things inside. It has a lower amount of collagen though. But I feel like my nails are doing better. It's for your skin, it's for your hair. So lovely. Staying on that area, I actually also got, well, cottons. I use it for take my makeup off and also for like clients when I do makeup for someone else. I got a big jug of castor oil. This is the one that I got last year. It's basically empty. I use it a lot. I use it every night for my skin. It's the last thing that I put on my routine and I sleep with it. I love it. I used to use it on uterus area, let's say, and I stopped doing that. But for like skin, if I have scratches, it's for my hair. We know another brand now that is not doing very well, and that's the brand that I used to do on my hair, my thinning hair, which now, you know what, we're gonna make our own. Trust nobody, make your own. So that's why I got the bigger one, and I'm definitely gonna use it for my hair. I also want to use it for my under eyes specifically, because another creator mentioned that this two together, this is the frankincense oil with the castor oil, would work very well for your under eyes. So that's what I got that. And I got it also, I got empty rolls, containers, so I can use it for different areas, and I have different oils, so I can wait to do that. We're gonna do that together. I got perfumes. I'm trying to find my new scent. I'm Giorgio Armani Yes See girl, and I was before that a Dolce & Gabbana the one, but I feel like I need to update that. I'm a lady now. So I heard this one from Vanilla Musk. It's very Nemat brand. It's very loved, so I got it. I can use it as a base, and I'm trying to stay on the oils kind of form because it lasts longer. And then I also got from Amazon, this one is more like a fresher, it's not as vanilla, and it's like with pheromones inside as well, and it was also very recommended in the on the Amazon website. So I got this too, and then I found a company that makes dupes of those, and I'm gonna try and find out my new scents and see what I like. I don't know yet what I like. I know I like kind of woody, sweet but not too sweet. So yeah, I'm excited for that. I think that's it.